What's up, boys, Dons? Today we're going to be talking about one of the most anticipated sneakers. Well, I don't know if that's true. I feel like a lot of stuff be more so me and not necessarily like what everybody else is thinking. So according to me, this is one of the most anticipated sneakers of the year until I saw the price. I'm talking about the Dior by ERL B9 Skater Sneakers, limited and numbered editions. I think saying that something is like numbered helps people with the idea that it's more limited. And if you know me, then you know I am the king of gatekeeping and exclusivity and everybody having their own identity through the process of people just not having access to stuff, but not in an elitist, capitalist way. I'm going too far. I know y'all came here to talk about some shoes, so let's get into that. Alright, so first off, these were probably like same for a while now. Like we seen them just floating and buzzing around on the internet on those like shoe pages. Shoe designers always have like the super early plugs. And when I first seen them, I was just like, and I talked about them in other videos, so you know I'm not just saying it. In short, right, I assumed that, this would probably be kind of how it is now, like not really having the ability to, let me see something real quick, hold on. I want to delete this one. But I assumed that it would be one of those things that was super limited, probably not, easily accessible to people. And I didn't think it would have been the price that would have discouraged people. If anything, I thought it probably would have been the idea that it just wasn't that many available, or maybe it was more like a runway thing where you only seen your favorite rappers in it or something. But actually, that's not even the case because, believe it or not, we'll get into it, there are sizes still available. And that's really rare for like big releases like this, but I think that price impacted it. So first off, we have, because it's two different versions. So first off, we have the ones that kind of got like that Lady Dior quilting. And those ones come in like a baby blue, a pink, and a black. Now, of course, obviously, the pink ones are probably like my favorites. I think the blue ones are super dope as well because with the blue ones, you can see more definition in the stitching in terms of like color and stuff. And these ones are called the blue camos. As you can see, they got like the Dior shoestrings, which is super tough. Let me see what else. But honestly, seeing them like not on foot, not styled, I'm not that crazy about them. Like, okay, we got the cool flower on the back. By the way, I just want to say something real quick. This is an ERL collab. ERL Eli Russell. I forget his last name, like Lennox or something. But in short, that's a brand that's pretty much known for like this like cool wavy hoodie, but that's what I always see, But if you ever look at their stuff, specifically their collections and like the lookbooks or photo shoots that they do for their collections, you'll be like, damn, this is a really interesting brand. I can see how they got the collab with Dior. Now, I love the silhouette of the shoe. I love a chunky sneaker, but like you see how good it looks on foot, it doesn't always look that good off. Now, these ones, in addition to the pink ones and the black ones, are $21.50. And I really think that's a crazy price. I mean, this isn't a boot. And I believe their boots weren't even $21.50. The boots might have been $1,800. Hey, yo, how much was the Dior ski boots? I know they wasn't $21.50. Alright. But I know they wasn't $21.50. So right now, like pretty much all sizes are available except for a US 6, which probably women probably took advantage of that, and then a 13 and a 14, and those are probably athletes. So, like oh shit, it's only 470 pieces though. That's tough. I ain't gonna lie. Like knowing that there's only 470 pieces, I take back everything that I said because now it is worth $21.50 because it's only 470 pieces. Now you can count on Instagram how many people you see and say, something's not adding up. The pink ones are probably my favorites though. I ain't gonna lie, like they crazy loud, but like come on now, look at this. This pink is crazy. And then the look that they were worn in, cause these these were recently on a runway in Dior's resort. I think it was called like California Couture show, and it was like a Dior times ERL collab resort show, whatever. Super cool. If you see the shorts right here, they were like the highlight of the show for me. But like the pink ones, only size going is a 6 and a 14. Like, and once again, how many pieces? 470 pieces. That's tough. The black ones, they can keep them. Now we'll get into the second version of them, right? The second version, they don't have the Lady Dior quilting look, and instead they have more of a suede Lanvin look. You feel me? So these ones are actually $1,600, which is a lot more affordable in my opinion. Of the three, the cream ones, I feel like when shoes are either too dark or too bright, you lose a lot of the detail. So I would probably have to do the light brown ones or the dark brown ones. But the dark teddy bear brown suede ones are probably my favorite. Let me see something, because all these limited and numbered. Okay, yeah, good. Let's see how many pieces they got in these ones. Let's see. See, in these ones they got 888 pieces, and that was smart. Like whoever, this was just executed so well. So we got some Dior monogram on the side. We even, I believe, it looks like the eyelets even have Dior on them. Oh shit, the sole got some monogram on it. They really put in a lot of work on these shoes, and they didn't really skip anything, and a lot of time brands do. And when you get into manufacturing, you'll see like how much stuff adds up and why brands skip stuff. But here, I mean, it's like happy days, happy vibes. These teddy bear brown ones are my favorite. If I had to get a pair and I wasn't concerned about price, it would definitely be the pink ones or the blue ones, but most likely the pink ones. Even though I feel like the blue ones I might be able to wear more, simply because I already got like a Dior man bag, and I feel like it would look nice with that. And then but realistically, if I had to buy a pair, I would probably buy these ones. They're $1,600. They're limited. Let me see. They still have like a lot of sizes. And ladies, you can also get them because they got 5s. So that's super dope. Super dope, super dope, super dope. I think this might be my favorite purchase that I haven't purchased yet, simply because they're numbered. That right there did it for me. I'm sure in the comments, like y'all did with the curb sneakers, y'all gonna be like, Osiris D3s or whatever, the skate shoes. And I get it, but one thing that you'll learn about fashion, or one thing that not you'll learn, that we all know about fashion, is that it is a business, and if something is popular, it does not matter who it is, because clothes are utility. People are going to take advantage, and taking advantage usually means copying, sadly. And the thing about it is like Dior could do it, Gucci could do it, Louis Vuitton can do it, and people will just pick from their favorite brands, that, you know what I'm saying? So it kind of eats the little guy, but in this case, what can we say? Overall, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was short, it wasn't too long. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.